DIY Squad, it's me, Emma, from Emma's Exciting Live, and today I'm going to be teaching you all how to sew mini treats with the Coots Sew Mini Treats set that my friend Evie gave me. This set comes with pre-cut pieces for the ice cream and popsicle, watermelon, and the rest of the mini treats, needles, and small pre-cut eyes and cheeks, some floss in black, pink, red, green, white, yellow, brown, and orange, some felt, and of course stuffing to stuff your treats. We are now going to be creating a donut. So for this project you're going to need a donut cutout from your kit, a donut glaze, pre-cut eyes, some scissors, and tan floss. And other floss colors if you want to put sprinkles. You're also going to need some sewing needles as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a pen and trace the donut part onto your tan felt. Oh yes, I forgot to mention you need tan felt and black felt or any color felt that you want to give the donut some color. And now we're going to cut these out. And here's the first one. And what you're going to do is you're going to pop out your middle center for your donut and trace it onto your donut. And do the same thing for your other donut. So as you guys can see, I've cut out my donut holes, and now I'm going to be cutting out the glaze. So now my scissors are going to be tracing around my donut glaze. I want my donut to have chocolate glaze, but you guys can give it any glaze you want. Here's my finished donut glaze, and now I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use the floss. And we're going to take your floss and stretch it out like so. You can leave the spare floss to the side in case you need it later. One strand of the floss and pull it like so. And then straighten out the little knot that comes with it when you pull the floss away. And just pull and pull and pull and pull until you get to the little knot. And then just cut right there. Like so. The next step is to add a little hole in your donut glaze. Like so. And now I'm going to be attaching the donut glaze to the donut. So I'm going to take my sewing needle. Just going to put the glaze on top. Now I'm going to be sewing my floss like so. So I'm going to use my needle and put it on the top like this. And then go to the back and do the same thing again. I'm using a running stitch, so simply just go through the center again. If you guys want to see me doing a running stitch, I have it on my making a panda t-shirt video. This is pretty much how you do it. As you guys can see, now I finished sewing on my felt frosting. So now I'm going to be sewing on the eyes. Then you're going to take your first eye and sew it in. And then you're going to do the same thing once more so that it has a little like smiley face look to it. Next eye. The next eye right next to it. Now that I've done the smiley face and the eyes for my donut, I'm going to be putting on some sprinkles. So for the sprinkle step, you're going to need different colors of floss. My floss for this, but you can get little pieces of felt as well. So I'm going to do the same thing again by just dividing my felt like so to make it extra thin. what I like about this book is how easy it makes it to sew, and the steps are really clear and easy to follow. Just do a running stitch, which is pretty much just going over your floss until it's tight enough. My finished donut, as you guys can see, it has little sprinkles on it in yellow, orange, and red. You guys can add any colors you want to your donut sprinkles. And now I'm going to be showing you guys how to sew your donut and finish up this project. So as you all can see, I have my floss and I've cut it into 2 strands. I've showed you how to do that before. So I put my 2-stranded floss in the color tan, and I took out a little bit of my stuffing to put in my donut. So now I'm going to be sewing up my donut like so. So you're going to take your donut pieces, take piece 1 and 2, and I just start sewing from the side. So as you all can see, I've sewn about 7 stitches across. So now I'm going to be stuffing my donut with a little bit of stuffing. And I'm going to sew it all the way around. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So now that I've finished sewing my entire donut, I'm going to be pushing out the finished stuffing in the center so that I can just sew around it so the stuffing won't fall out. So that there's nothing in the center. So now I'm sewing the inside of my donut so that the stuffing can just close up. So comment down below, and once again remember, if you guys would like to get this set, I will be putting a link in the description down below for you all to purchase it. Make sure you cut off any loose threads. And I'm going to show you guys what this looks like when I'm done. Hey everyone, so here is my finished donut. Please be sure to like and subscribe and have an amazing day. Bye!